नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर रमेश चंद्र शर्मा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, फॉरेंसिक मेडिसिन एंड टॉक्सिकोलॉजी, होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today's our chapter is postmortem changes. Fourth, modify forms of putrefaction. Adipose hair, that is called the saponification. This is a modified form of putrefaction. The fatty tissues of the body changes into a substance similar to soap, known as adipose hair, commonly seen in bodies immersed in water or in damp form environment. Its mechanism: gradual hydrolysis and hydrogenation of pre-existing fats such as olein into higher fatty acids, which combine with calcium and ammonium ions to form insoluble salts. These salts, being acidic in nature, inhibit the putrefactory bacteria. The body fat is converted into palmitic, oleic, stearic, and hydroxystearic acid by the fat splitting enzyme lysinase produced by Clostridia groups of organisms, mainly Clostridium perfringens. The water required for hydrolysis is obtained mainly from the body tissues. If the body is in water, the fluid contributes to the hydrolysis of the subcutaneous fat. Water also helps to remove glycerin, which is formed during hydrolysis of fat. Both moisture and heat are important for the formation of adipose hair. Properties: adipose hair has a distinct offensive or sweetish. In the early stages, a penetrating ammonical odor is noticed. Fresh adipose hair is soft, moist, whitish, translucent, greasy, and resembles pale, rancid butter. After some years, it becomes dry, hard, cracked, yellowish, and brittle. It is inflammable and burns with a faint yellow flame. Floats in water and dissolve in alcohol and ether. Distribution: it can occur at any site where fatty tissues is present. First, subcutaneous fat gets converted into adipose hair. Adipose hair change usually partially affects face, buttocks, breast, and abdomen. Occasionally, the whole body may be affected. The epidermis disappears as the process of adipose hair formation advances. Initially, it appears as multiple whitish gray rounded outgrowths varying from 1 to 10 centimeter in diameter, which join with each other to cover the entire body at the late stage. In adipose hair, the liver looks prominent and retains its shape. The gross features and histological appearance of the organs can sometimes be appreciated. Time required for adipose hair formation: the minimum time required is 3 weeks in summer. Process of stiffening, hardening, and swelling of fat occurs over a period of months. In most cases, the changes is partial and irregular. Complete conversion in an adult limb requires at least 3 to 6 months. Obese individuals with more fat content and mature newborn form adiposis rapidly. Non-viable fetus does not show these changes. Adiposis may persist for years or decades. Medico-legal importance. The morphological features are well preserved and help to establish the identity of the individual. Cause of death can be made out as the injuries are usually well preserved. Time since death can be assessed based on the stage and extent of adiposia. Mummification. It is a modified form of putrefaction which produce dehydrations, drying and desiccations and shriveling of the cadaver. Occurs due to evaporation of water content in the body. It begins in exposed parts of the body like face or limbs and then extend to the entire body including the internal organs. Skin is shrunken and contracted, dry, brittle, leathery, and rusty brown in color and stretches tightly over the bony prominences such as cheek, chin, ribs, hip, and adheres to the bone. Mummifications may be partial in some cases, with only head or limb being affected. Internal organs becomes black, shrunken, hard, and become a single mass. Body loses weight, becomes thin, stiff, and brittle. Mummified bodies, if protected, can be preserved for years. Mummified bodies are practically odorless. Marked dehydrations before death favor mummification. It takes 3 months to 1 year for the entire body to be mummified. Absence of moisture, continuous actions of dry warm air is necessary for this process. For example, the mummies in Egypt. Mummifications of newborn may occur if left in a trunk or cupboard. Mummifications occurs in bodies buried in shallow graves in dry sand soil. Chronic arsenic and antimony poisoning favors the process of mummification. Occasionally, some parts of the body show mummification and some parts may undergo putrefactions or even adipocere formations, especially when part of the body is in water. Medico-legal importance. Features are well preserved and help to establish the identity. Cause of death can be made out as the injuries are preserved. Time since death can be assessed based on the extent of mummification. Entomology of cadaver. Flies lay eggs on the fresh corpse in the moist areas of the body. It means eyelid, nostrils, angle of mouth, etc. Soon after death. Once skin decomposition being eggs are laid down anywhere on the body, larvae and maggots are produced from the eggs in 8 to 12 hours. This maggots travels into interior of the body and produce powerful proteolytic enzyme and destroy the soft tissues. Maggots becomes pupae in 4 to 5 days. They become adult flies in another 3 to 5 days. medico-legal importance, to estimate the time since death based on the stage of development of the insect, to identify the cause of death in certain poisoning cases, to corroborate the scene of crime by identifying the species of the insect. In next class, we will take these points: time since death, external examination of the body, internal examination of the body. Thank you.